Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. It's your girl Candice. In this video, what we're going to be doing is another coffee mask, but it's going to be focusing on those with dry skin, such as myself. It's going to be using our handy dandy coffee and some olive oil. The olive oil is really good for people with dry skin like myself because it's rich in vitamins and it will help to replenish your skin. And what we're going to need is 1 tablespoon of coffee powder. We need 1 tablespoon of oil. Yeah, this is definitely becoming more smooth in consistency faster than the honey did. Apply it to our face. You only need to leave this mask for 3 minutes, not 20 minutes, only 3 minutes. Hi guys, it's been 3 minutes. We're gonna go ahead and take off the mask and see how it feels. I'm finding with these coffee masks it's so much easier just to rinse it off in the sink, so I'll be right back. Hi guys, I am back. My skin is feeling ultra friggin' smooth, nice and shiny. You can see all of the natural oils have surfaced to the top of my skin. And apply some moisturizer because you're always supposed to do that after a mask. In tomorrow's video or the next video, I'm not really 100% sure what direction I want to go in. I might do another coffee mask, or I might try is the key word here, to post a tutorial on how to create this rainbow look. I have it shared to my Instagram, so if you guys want to see that, hit it up. All of my social media links are in my banner image. And yeah, check that out. Stay tuned for a possible rainbow pride inspired look. I just realized that works really well, so probably gonna do it. But anyways, hit the big like and subscribe button before you guys go. Thank you so much for watching. Bye! Hey, what are you eating? Bye, girl. How fucking cute is this? How cute. Like, what the hell? Whoever thought of this packaging is a genius. Shout out to you, man. You're smart as fuck.